of opening in the earth crust is also known as volcano. Material that reaches ground is lava flows, includes lava flow, pyroclastic debris, volcanic bombs, and ash dust gases such as nitrogen compounds, sulfur compound, and minor amounts of chlorine, hydrogen, and argon. Cool down lava is also called as cinders. We have four types of volcanic. One is shield composite, and the other one is caldera and flood basalt mid-oceanic ridges. Caldera, flood basalt, mid-oceanic ridge volcanoes. Most of clad